Alright, let me go ahead and create an assembly real quick. I'm going to take out my bottom plates. I'm going to click and then hit escape. Now I'm going to use the constrain tool. I'm going to select this face, and then I'm going to select the XZ plane and click OK. Alright, cool beans. You know what, here's what I'm going to do as well. Let me constrain. What if I can do an angle constrain? So if I select this surface, and let me select the XY plane. Perfect. I'm going to click OK. Alright. And I did that so that way these holes are aligned in the XY direction. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and create a new part. I can call it my arm. This is your drone arm. Alright, or your drone frame. So I'm going to select this surface. Yeah, I'm going to select this surface. And then, hey, it's going to ask me to, or first let me create a sketch on this surface. And let me use project geometry. I'm going to steal this circle, and I'll steal this line here. I'm going to create a 3-point rectangle. Yeah, this one right here. I'm going to click, boom, click, boom. Let's see, alright, let's do, sorry. The distance from here to here. The distance from here to here. 0.36. The distance from here to here. 0.36. And from there to there, let's do half of 0.36, which would be like 0.8 or 0.18. And then we'll do the same Z's on this side. 0.36. From here to here. 0.18. Cool. Can I do point? Nope, I cannot. Cancel. Well, can I make these parallel? Cool beans. Alright. Or hold on. Maybe not parallel. Maybe collinear? Boom. Nope. Alright. I'm just going to leave it like this. Gucci. Finish sketch. I'm going to go ahead and extrude these by 1.46. Let me create a sketch on this plane. It's going to be a 3-point rectangle. Cool. Let's go ahead and make this 0.25 Gucci, and then extrude it. Finish sketch, extrude it. To face. 2. Then I'm going to click this face. Gucci. Actually, let me go back in here and edit this last extrusion. I'm going to go to edit, sketch. Let me take a look at the measurement real quick in IRL. .75 instead. I'm going to change that to 0.75. Gucci. And for funsies, when you hold down Shift and the scroll button, you can use the orbit tool. I'm going to go ahead and fillet this. This is a 0.125 fillet. I'm going to do the same these over here. Click OK. And now I am going to start a sketch here on this surface. And let's see. I need a 2-point rectangle. 1.25 or 0.23. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to extrude that by 1. So finish sketch, extrude by 1. And let me go ahead and return. I'm going to add the top plate. Click, hit escape. And I'm going to use the joint tool here. I'm going to make sure that it is a rotational joint. Let me click there, there, click OK. Actually, I don't like that. Let me edit this joint. I just hit the flip. There we go. Alright, let's see if I could do that again. Joint. There. There. Sure, hit yes. Okay. Alright, well, it looks like I did it okay. It's good enough for me. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into my arm. I'm going to right click, I'm going to edit it. And let me go ahead and do a sketch on this surface. I'm going to use some project geometry. Select this. There we go. All is well. Finish. I'm going to extrude it. Boom, boom, boom. But I want to cut it. Click OK. And there we're good. Let me go ahead and just make it a little bit more realistic. I'm going to create a line from here to here. No, you know what? Never mind. I'm done. I'm good. I'm just going to straight fillet this. Boom, boom. Alright, now I'm going to use the fillet tool, select here and here. Let's make this 0.5. Gucci. Then fillet here. Let's do 0.125. Gucci. Alright, so now I'm going to start a sketch on this plane. I'm going to use my window tool. I'm going to click there. I'm going to set this as the new top. That's my new top view. Cool beans. And I'm going to do a 3-point rectangle. Boom. Boom. And 6. Hold on, let me look at the real measurement. IRL measurement. 6.5. Cool beans. And here in the center, we'll do 1.6. Cool. Alright. .94. Alright, so I'm going to do a line down the center to help me out. I believe this is the center. Alright, you can think of these as like construction lines. They're going to help me figure out where I need to go. And I'm just going to make another random line here. What I'm doing is I'm trying to create the curved shape of the drone arm that I see IRL. So this distance here, between here, should be 0.93. But what I want to do is I want to make it symmetric. So I'm going to click this, the two outer lines, and then the line I want it to be symmetric about. Cool. And now I'm going to actually don't need this. Alright, that's good right now. Let me go ahead and create a line from the circle to the middle. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to make a tangent constraint. So those are tangent to the circle. And then now I want to round this out. So I'm going to use this fillet. Where's my fillet? Here it is. Boom, boom. Let's see if I could do 0.5. Let me double click here and do 0.5. Alright, cool. Alright, same as here. Fillet. Where's my fillet? There it is. Here, here. Let me do this again, make sure it's filleted correctly. Alright. If I put 1, ah, 0.5 is good. Alright, this is Gucci. I'm going to just go ahead and finish sketch. Let me go ahead and select everything. Boom, 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 boom. Actually, it's probably easier just to fillet it once it's a three-dimensional shape. Yeah, that would have been easier. Alright, I'm going to do it this direction. I'm going to do, let's see, 0.43. Cool beans. I'm going to use this tool right here to view this face. And I'm going to fillet this section. .5. Alright, so now I'm going to create a sketch here. Actually, I'm going to do a project geometry. Let me select this, maybe that. Offset. Maybe offset 0.075. Okay, cool. I'm going to go ahead and start drawing some triangles just like I see in real life. So, I don't know the exact shape, but I'm just going to keep drawing. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and create a line directly in the center. I feel like that's the center right there. Could be wrong, but I'm just going to use that as my center. I'm going to offset that as well. And now I'm going to start drawing my triangles. Let's see. Let me use the trim tool. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'll do a project. Click there. And then let me create a line. Alright, that's a 90-degree line. Okay. Let me go ahead and mirror this. And the mirror line is here. Apply. Let me use the trim tool. Get rid of this, this, this. Cool beans. And now I need a line here to there. Something like that. Yeah, let me trim that. Alright, Gucci. Alright, let me see if I can use the mirror tool. Select all this good stuff. Alright, and the mirror line is here. Hit apply. That looks pretty Gucci to me. Alright, let me create a line from here to here. All as well. Alright, so I got what I wanted. Let me go ahead and finish the sketch. Let's see if I extrude. Now I'm going to cut. But as I cut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to degrees. Let me put in 10. And let me flip that direction. There we go. So you can see it looks a little bit more like, a little more realistic according to the real drone arm, where it's curved inward. Cool beans. Alright, that's part 1.